Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat, who is thoroughly enjoying the bird feeder that is right outside the window. She's just laying there like, I know I can't get to the birdie. Anyway, so I got another Boxycharm add-on. Yeah, I actually ordered 2 different times from Boxycharm add-on. This is going to be part 1 of my July add-ons. I ordered them July 12th. Today is the 24th. So they just came in and we're going to see what I got. We're just going to dive right in because there's no rhyme or reason. I just see something, I think, oh, that's a good deal. Oh, I want to try that. Or maybe I want to put it in a giveaway, and I grab it. This is Acebeauty Draw It Lip Liner. I have noticed that I am very seriously lacking lip liner. I have one, and the only reason I have that one is because Cher sent it to me from Single Mom Review. I'll put a card up above so that if you want to check out her channel, you can, because she's really sweet. I love Cher. So let me find it on here so I can read about it to you. Draw It Lip Liner. Be peachy, so gorgeous. Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. So it's Be Peachy and So Gorgeous. So this one is Be Peachy. Oh, that's nice. That'll make a good line. And this one is So Gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I could definitely use this. Very cool. I like those. The MSRP on these are $16. Alright, sorry y'all, my angle's probably a little different. My husband came through, just picked up my lampstand and moved it so he could get into the closet. And I was like, well, sorry, I was in the way. Anyway, so moving along, the next thing in here is MAC Cosmetics. I have really liked my MAC lipstick that I got last time. So yeah, I saw this value pack and decided I was going to try it because I'm still trying to find that perfect color for my skin tone. And I know some of my fans have the same skin tone as me and are having the same struggles I am with finding a good lipstick. So this is the MAC Cosmetic Power Kiss Trio. It has a retail value of $55. I think I got it at 67% off, so I paid $18 for 3 lipsticks. That's pretty good, I think, especially for MAC. So it says matte, totally reinvented, delivering a blur of soft focus color. This weightless moisture matte lipstick was developed to replicate a backstage technique, blending out edges of matte lipstick for a hazy effect. Its groundbreaking formula contains moisture-coated power pigments that condition and hydrate lips. The result is a zero shine look of a matte lipstick with a cushiony, lightweight feel of a balm. Fall for this soft touch, misty matte kiss of color. The best thing about getting these matte colors is if you want to do matte, you've got it. If you want a gloss, you can put a clear gloss on top of the matte and get the color from the matte and still have the glossy look. So the colors are Mull, M-U-L-L, Over It, Work, 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 and Shocking Revelation. I'll drop them like that. So we'll mull over it. I love the look of the MAC packaging too. It's just so sleek and soft. It's soft. So there it is. This is the mull over it. That's nice. Not too much, but just enough. I like that. Of course, once I put it on my lips, we don't know if it's going to be a little too orangey. I have a lot of trouble with everything being either too orangey or too corally looking for me. So that's kind of where I'm coming into trouble. This is Work, Work, Work. W-E-R-K, not W-O-R-K. Same packaging. Are you gonna move my light again?
Nope. Switched over. I'm gone.
Alright. Have a good day or night. Alright, so let's see what this color looks like. That's pretty. How it does feel so good going on. Look at that. They kind of go with the liners that I got too. That was not intended. It just happened that way. This is Shocking Revelation. There's Miss Cali Cat. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. I want to be bold and red-lipped. Sometimes I'm just not brave enough. But I'm gonna try. I am gonna try. Alright, so there's the MAC. Actually, I think I have another MAC in here. I kind of think I got more than one. Let me pull it up and see. Yes, I got a MAC Love Me lipstick in here somewhere. Here we go. MAC Love Me lipstick. This is E for Effortless. See, look at the packaging. The packaging is just on point. I mean, really, really pretty packaging. E for Effort. Alright, let's see. Right here. Oh, look at that. It's like date night lipstick right there. Not that I do date night much, but very cool. Actually, I kind of like the smell of it too. Let's see what it says. Love at first swipe. Fall in love with this argan oil infused formula that delivers an instant hit of powerful color and all-day moisture. The true color gelled system of ultra refined pure pigment evenly disperses bright smooth color for high impact one sweet payoff. The comfort of lightweight oils and specialized waxes makes this lipstick feel luxurious, super silky, and barely there. The ultra gliding formula lays down beautifully in a thin film for a creamy and conditioning texture with a lightweight feel and satin soft finish. Love Me lipstick loves you back. So that's very nice. I'm gonna have fun playing with all these colors. And y'all, if it feels a little bold for me, I can always go over it with a different color to tone it down a little bit. I do that a lot. So this is Honest Beauty Lip Crayon Lush Sheer. Yeah, I went a little lipstick crazy with this one. I can't help it. It's in the color Rose. It's sheer rose. It's supposed to be a sheer wash of color. It's a $12.99 value, and it came in about 5 different colors. It says achieve crave-worthy color with one of our best lip crayons ever. The sheer formula gives your lips a lush upgrade with the crayon's delicious blend of moisturizing coconut oil, whatever that is, butter. Look, it's spelled M-U-R-U-M-U-R-U. I can't pronounce that. And shea butter. Offered in 8 juicy colors, our Lush Lip Crayon delivers a smooth satin finish with a sheer pop of color. Oh, that feels nice. I mean, very smooth. And that's more of a muted tone for days I don't feel like being all crazy with my lipstick or makeup. That's very nice. I paid $4 for it. So yeah, I mean, that tells you. And I don't know, did I tell you how much the MSRP on that last MAC was? Let me look it up real fast. So the MSRP on the Love Me lipstick is $21. I paid $6 for it. See, that's why I like the Boxy Charms add-ons, is because you get a good deal. And that way I can try the lipstick for $6 instead of $21. And until I find my colors, until I get brave enough to go in the Ulta or the Sephora actual stores, we're just gonna keep playing on here. So this is ciatelondon Glitter Flip Holographic with holographic glitter. Apply, dry, press, and pop. Transforming lip color. Yeah, I've been playing with these holographic ones lately too. You know, mainly in the eye shadow, but I saw it. I thought it would be fun. I do like the ciatelondon brand. It had 4 different colors on here. MSRP is $19. I paid $6. And the color I got is Crush. Discover the world's first transforming glitter lipstick that broke the internet. Glitter Flip is the transforming matte to glitter liquid lipstick with a wearable editorial finish in multi-dimensional shades. Simply press lips together to magically transform this metallic matte liquid lipstick into a dazzling glitter lip with none of the mess and in under half the time of a traditional glitter lip look. Long wearing and comfortable, this first to market formula will last all night with no need for retouching. Each shade is created with environmentally friendly mica glitter and 100% vegan ingredients. So it's gonna go glitter on me. Okay, we're gonna have to try this one on. We're just gonna have to put it on my lips. Let's see what I have on my lips right now. In 2 shakes, y'all. All right, my lips still have a little bit of color on them, but we really want to try this, so let's see what happens. All right, I'll put a little right here. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Actually, I kind of like it. What do y'all think? It's not too bad. It's darker than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, I can see the glitter in there. Very cute. Didn't take much to do my lips, did it? That's kind of fun. Alright, so I like that. I can say it doesn't feel super moisturizing on my lips. That's the only thing I can say about it. It just kind of feels a little more almost sticky. So we'll see how it does with me just hanging out around here talking to y'all and see if I get a bunch of hair stuck in my mouth. You know, cats. But super cool. Alright, this is Natasha Denona. I like Natasha Denona. I've only tried eyeshadows. This is a Mark Your Liquid Lips liquid lipstick matte in Giselle. There was like 11 colors to try or to choose from on this one. $25 is the MSRP. I paid $6. So yeah, you know, I was gonna, you know, grab that up because when it comes to Natasha Denona, I want to try it because, you know, I liked the eyeshadow, so why not? So I did go for a more muted color with this one so that, you know, make sure I actually wore it. So I'm running out of room on the back of my hand. We'll put it right here. Oh, that felt nice going on. See, just a more neutral, muted tone, something I could wear on an everyday basis. It feels nice. see what it says. This groundbreaking liquid lipstick provides a pure color result over the first stroke. The innovative formula prevents the lips from drying out and delivers exceptionally lightweight feel, smudge-proof, transfer-resistant, and long-lasting while giving an edgy, high-fashion matte look. Color won't fade, stays vibrant, packaged with pigments, gives immediately full coverage and feels silky smooth. Based on the newest and advanced technology that enhance moisture properties and gives elasticity to the lips, the high ester oil provides hydration power, increasing comfortability. Can't get the word out. While the aloe vera extract leaves the skin soft, smooth to the touch. Super cool. I'm excited about that. You know, it's just gonna be a little wash of color. I do like that. Okay, so this is the last thing in here, and I do not know anything about it. I know I have heard the brand name before. I can't remember if it was from TikTok or where it was from, but I do remember hearing winkylux before. This is a matcha lip balm in lavender. Yeah, I've been wanting to try the matcha tea. I've heard it's got a lot of beneficial properties. Just haven't got there yet. But yeah, $10 matcha for your lips. And very cute packaging. Y'all, isn't that just adorable? Lavender, I like lavender. You know, it's supposed to be calming. I am one of these people who needs a lot of calming, so there's lavender all over my house. But look at how cute this little guy is. Just adorable little guy. And lavender. It does have a smell to it. I wouldn't say it's so much of a lavender smell. Let's see what it does when I put it on my skin. Okay, you can smell the lavender a little more on your skin. It's more just like a, really it's a lip balm. There's no color to it, you know, there's nothing there. But I do like to keep my lips hydrated. I use a lot of lip gloss, lip balms, things like that. The MSRP on this is $16. It says Matcha Balm is an ultra nourishing lip balm infused with avocado and coconut oil to help keep your lips hydrated. Contains antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea and extract. Matcha Balm applies clear and is vanilla flavored. So where does the lavender come in? So it's the vanilla I'm smelling, not lavender. Why do they call it lavender if it goes on clear and it's vanilla smelling? Okay, I'm confused, I guess, just because it's in a, you know, looks lavender when you pull it out. I don't know. That one surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. Matcha Balm. Okay, so that is what I got from this haul. How do you think I did? Do you think any of these colors are going to work for me? Do you want to see any of these colors on me? I can always do a video before I put my lipstick on in a day. Just do a little short and say, hey, this is what this particular lipstick looks like on my skin. If you want to see stuff like that, comment below. Tell me what you think. If there's something that you just like, oh, I'd love to see that in a giveaway, also comment below. Let me know that stuff, because I want to know, you know, what y'all want in your giveaways. And there's giveaways coming up. I know of at least 2 that I'm going to have planned. So, you never know. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check to make sure you're still subscribed. Share with your friends. Comment. Press the notification bell so that you know when I put out new videos. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.